From Divine Energy Works, Eclipse Corridor Energies, and September Equinox Stargate 2025. Virgo Solar Eclipse on September 21st, and Libra Equinox Stargate on September 22nd. Form a unified recalibration corridor we are currently moving through. This portal is activating a collective throat-heart axis override, initiating a full spectrum correction of suppressed expression, distorted masculine encoding, and unresolved collective trauma stored in the voice grid. What's moving through the field is a quantum voice technology reboot. Our voices are no longer personal. The throat is not just an expression point, it is a transmission node in the planetary grid. Silenced truths, withheld soul tones, survival-based communication, and heart-disconnected messaging are collapsing. This is overriding the old vocal architecture and activating the transmission of truth frequency through the masculine-feminine axis. The energies of the solar eclipse are clearing distortion threads from the throat-soul layer. The energies of the Equinox Stargate are restoring harmonic resonance across dimensional timelines. This is a zero-point reset of expression and truth. The soul voice is being reactivated as core technology. The suppression grid is collapsing under truth frequency. Our voices are no longer personal. The eclipse corridor is revealing that the throat is not just an expression point. It is a transmission node in the planetary grid. Each soul voice that aligns with truth recalibrates not only individual timelines, but the collective grid architecture. When we activate our authentic expression, we become living codes, broadcasting frequency intelligence into the earth field. This is why silence feels unbearable now. Suppression isn't just personal pain, it's planetary dissonance. Speaking is no longer about sound, it's about sovereignty. The energies of this eclipse initiated a deep reset in how we express what's true. You may have felt it in your body, a tightening in the throat, unexpected waves of emotion, or that heavy feeling in your chest when something wants to be spoken but you can't find the words. The planetary voice system is undergoing a full recalibration. What we speak, what we withhold, what we transmit through tone and presence, all of it is now shaping reality at the quantum level. If you've ever felt like your voice didn't belong in the world as it was, that's because it was made for the world that's coming. And that world is here.